Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can insert SIM in Redmi. So to start, lock the screen of your Redmi smartphone and take it out of the phone case if it is in one. Now look around the frame of the device, and what you should be looking for specifically is the SIM card tray, which looks something like that. You'll see a dedicated cutout with the hole somewhere on the side. Now take an injection tool, which you should have gotten alongside the phone inside the packaging or the box your device came in. If you lost it or simply do not have it for some reason, you can also use an unfolded paper clip or a needle. Pretty much anything that is thin enough to be put into this little hole. Now push it all the way in, and once you see, or should I rather say once you feel like the injection tool has reached the bottom, press it in. After that, the tray itself should pop right out. So now all that is left to do is to take your Nano SIM card and align the rounded edge of the SIM card with either the rounded edge on the SIM card tray, or on certain phones you'll directly have a little icon that shows you how to put the SIM card, but the SIM card tray on this particular Redmi smartphone doesn't, unfortunately. So I will need to manually align it all the way. So let me do that real quick. So let's actually put it into the SIM1 slot, since here this rounded edge is obvious. So once again, align the rounded edge with the SIM card like that, and then simply return the SIM card tray back inside the device. Once again, make sure to align this little hole properly, and then just, slide it inside the device's frame. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.